In this video, I will talk about specialized Japanese-styled knives made in China. Hello guys, I'm Chef Panko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. No one is paying me to make this video or to include their knife in a video. No one will get a chance to preview my footage or thoughts before the video goes on YouTube. If this video helps you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the review. Single beveled knives are getting replaced by double beveled knives. But in some cuisines, the single beveled knives will still have its place. At work I use the Yanagibas the most when it comes to preparing fish. I have replaced the deba with a double beveled chest knife or gyuto instead of a single beveled deba for filleting. But when it comes to making a paste from fish, I prefer the heavier deba. When it came to Japanese specialized knife made in China, my experience with them was mixed. Keep in mind that the knives I bought were in early 2019, where only a select few brands offered single beveled knives. Now at the end of 2020, I have seen a lot of brands offering single beveled knives. My biggest concern with buying specialized knives from China is that I don't know what I get until it gets delivered. In this case, the knife I purchased from Huwill has terrible heat treatment, and it is so bad that I don't believe that they used Japanese imported Austen at all. However, I got what I paid for since back in early 2019, this Yanagiba with a length of 270mm was only $25 with free shipping. While a select few brands did a good job, they had some quality problems in early 2019, and some of the brands even pulled out the entire knife lineup since early 2019 and never listed the knives back. When it comes to specialized knives, they are specialized for a reason. In this case, the knife core material was not the promised Japanese imported Austen with a Rockwell of 60 or higher. I highly believe that the Rockwell is around 56 or even lower, which is unacceptable for a specialized knife like a Yanagiba. After my first nigiri slice I had my doubts, and after 3 pieces I had to stop using the knife entirely at work. The concave is way too pronounced, but there is a positive side. The fit and finish were decent. Brands like Huwill made me lose my faith in Chinese made knives, but after talking to the direct original equipment manufacturers, I now understand how this can happen. Their contract is with the brand owner, and if they want a terrible core material and no heat treatment, they will deliver as long as the brand owner pays for the manufacturing process. If they wish to use Japanese Austen stamped as a logo on the blade, they will provide that too with no questions, even when the core is not an Austen. But that being said, some good brands do not mislead customers, but finding them will be a challenging task. I will try my best to review as few specialized Japanese-styled knives made in China because of the comment section's request. Finding them will be challenging, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified. If you had some good experience with a brand or certain specialized Japanese-styled knife made in China, make sure to comment on the brand name, knife style and experience in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.